Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kum kajing Pyrshang ban Pyndonkam yakabut ban Pynkhuid yaka Jaboh jaban kabapuot leng baki kor kibor kajuk menta. Ka sorkar jela rengkat kajing tray lang bat kawai ka company na South Korea kasdang ban Pyndonkam Tura tangkum kajing Pyrshang haswa ban Pyndonkam lang hagiwai ki jaka kum hanong ba Shillong Jowai bat kiwai. Ka kerteng jong kanika company ka bana South Korea latip kum ka chamhana GW. Ya kanika project kabalong kum kajing Pyrshang ban Pyndonkam lapli hakas ngi baar ka khat henyo terek ujemang arjar arpoar dokumentari rang ba ukon rat ke sangma. Haka jaka penlang Jaboh jaban Tura. Haka jingadan lang unong mikmat dan ni ambassador ke South Korea sya India uchang Jaboh. Kibreu ka chamhana Technology Research Institute na South Korea, nalor ki officer ka Tura Municipal Board bat kiwai. Kasor kar Megalia Pyndonkam AA ban penlut ni bay pisa, nakabanta kanika project. Henry ka syudan bentalang ban Pyndonkam ya kanika project. Kabaon sa Pyndonkam lang hakiwai bat ki benta ka jela. Nakabanta ban Pyndonkam ya ki Jaboh jaban, ban teliat bat Pynkela, syaki ken jabalong ban pen meeting. Kum urnga bat kiwai ki kenja boarding.
1, 2, 3. Can you stop the? This is a really heavy, all the heavy tissue. 너무만 보여달라고. Pyrshang, huh? Pyrshang. So use your name, Pyrshang Moxie. This will be automatic. As little as this. So once we put it here, then it infuses. And once it is infused, you can see the color changing. Right. If I just hold this out, just a small pinch.
This is the main technology. This is the enzyme. This is ruled by the old garbage, and it is converted to the pure.
So this breaks down the garbage. Okay. So such a small pinch.
Burn and this will be a replacement. It may not be 100%.
Ready. Kaya mo sir.
Haba ay jingkren hakanikas ngi umentri rangba ukon rat ke sangma ula ay kuble yaka chamhana Technology Research Institute na South Korea. Kabalawan ra yakini ki kor kibor ban Pyndonkam omtang ban Pynkhuid bat teliat yaki Jaboh jaban. Henry kan yarap ru ban penmi yaka ken jading kum urnga bat kasbo. U konrad ula ong bakane kadeka project kabadang shu Pyrshang ban Pyndonkam Tura. Bat da ka jenetray lang bat u ambassador ka South Korea sya India bat ka company chamhana on sala Pyndonkam ru sah kiwai ki jaka khamtam hanong ba Shillong Jowai bat nongston.
I should say, I think will be a very memorable day for not just the people of Tura, but I should say even for the state as a whole and maybe even the region and the country as a whole. The reason I am saying this is because what we are doing here today is something that's really a step towards converting waste to energy, a process that can completely redefine the way we look at waste. And I'll speak more about that. But before I go into that, I must, from the bottom of my heart, must thank His Excellency, our Honorable Ambassador, for having come here today to Tura. I think I was telling him that very few people come to Tura. Most people go to Shillong, and Tura is always left out. But you have made that an exception, that before going to Shillong, you came to Tura. So I must thank him on behalf of the people of Tura. I know that he had a lot of difficulty, a lot of challenges, logistical challenges, kind of game-changing technologies that we need in today's world. And therefore I am extremely happy and would like to thank the entire team that has made this happen, and would like to also state that countries like South Korea that have made huge advancements in technology and have been able to provide cutting-edge technology in many aspects, in many regions and in many fields. They have a lot to contribute to the world. And I'm happy that we as a state, we as a town are today being able to collaborate with South Korea and with the nation, and able to now bring the technology here. Excellency, I am sure that this is just the beginning. There will be many other areas of collaboration that we look forward to. As I said, once we inaugurate this year, I'll be very happy to then coordinate with our Honorable Ambassador and all the officials of Chamana to be able to then replicate this technology in Shillong, in Jowai, in Nongstoin, and I think this will go a long way, a very long way in helping the people of our state. And as I said, this is the first plant, first of its kind in the whole country. So we are going to show the way to the rest of the country by ensuring that this works, and I think this will be a great blessing for not just the people of our state, but I think for humanity, I should say, because this is a big problem that we are facing. Plastic waste and then start putting it into this machine. So yes, we have a plan for the legacy waste also, and that is the reason why we have put this machine here. So I am very hopeful. Well, my officials told me anything between 9 to 12 months that they will be able to process most of the waste that is lying around here. But I would say that seeing the size and the complication of things, we may take some time. But we will start the process of taking the legacy waste also and segregating the mud from it, getting the waste and putting it into the machine.
Meghalaya people will achieve zero waste goal and make Tura cleaner and greener. On this occasion, I thank Mr. Pynkhuid, Managing Director of Chamana GK India, for his relentless effort and dedication in pushing this project forward.